Aerospace Component Manufacturing Excellence and Global Supply Chain Solutions, presented by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Introduction. Hello and welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Today we are discussing one of the world's most advanced, highly regulated and technologically demanding industries, the aerospace manufacturing industry. From commercial aircraft and military aviation systems to space technologies, unmanned aerial vehicles, helicopters, and advanced aerospace platforms, every component must meet the highest standards of precision, reliability, quality, and safety. In the aerospace sector, there is no room for error. Keep this in mind. Every machine component, structural assembly, fastener, composite structure, engine component, electronic system, and aerospace sub-assembly must perform flawlessly under demanding operating conditions. This is why aerospace manufacturers worldwide invest heavily in engineering excellence, quality assurance, inspection systems, testing programs, supplier development, and international compliance frameworks. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we support aerospace manufacturers and global supply chains through specialized engineering consultancy, inspection, testing, quality assurance, supplier development, technical auditing, and training solutions. In this presentation, we will explore the aerospace manufacturing ecosystem, industry challenges, quality and compliance requirements, supplier quality management, inspection and testing solutions, manufacturing excellence strategies, and how URGS International supports aerospace organizations worldwide. Understanding the aerospace industry. The aerospace industry is among the most sophisticated manufacturing sectors globally. Aerospace products must operate in extreme conditions involving high temperatures, extreme pressure variations, dynamic loading conditions, vibration, corrosion, fatigue, long service life requirements. A single aircraft may contain millions of individual parts manufactured by thousands of suppliers located across multiple countries. This makes quality assurance and supply chain management absolutely critical. Now, aerospace manufacturing segments. Let us see this. The aerospace industry consists of several major sectors: commercial aviation, passenger aircraft, cargo aircraft, regional jets, and business aviation platforms; defense and military aviation, fighter aircraft, transport aircraft, helicopters, surveillance platforms, and defense systems; space and satellite systems, launch vehicles, satellites, propulsion systems, and space exploration technologies; unmanned aerial systems, drones, UAVs, and autonomous aerospace platforms; maintenance, repair, and overhaul (MRO), aircraft maintenance and life cycle support services. Each sector depends on precision engineered aerospace components. Aerospace components manufactured worldwide. Key aerospace components include aircraft structural components, turbine engine components, landing gear systems, fasteners and hardware, precision machined parts, composite structures, avionic assemblies, electrical systems, hydraulic systems, fuel systems, aerospace castings, aerospace forgings, titanium components, aluminum aerospace structures, precision sheet metal assemblies. Quality requirements for these components are among the highest in any industry. Now, challenges faced by aerospace manufacturers. Let us see this. See, modern aerospace manufacturers face several challenges. Stringent quality requirements means products must meet exact specifications. Regulatory compliance with international aerospace standards is mandatory. Traceability requirements means every component must be traceable throughout its life cycle. Then supply chain complexity means global suppliers must maintain consistent quality. Then cost pressures means manufacturers must improve efficiency while maintaining quality. Then technological evolution means new materials and manufacturing processes require continuous improvement. Organizations that successfully manage these challenges gain a significant competitive advantage. Now let us see the importance of quality assurance in aerospace manufacturing. Quality is not simply a business objective in aerospace manufacturing, it is a safety requirement. Effective quality systems help organizations reduce defects, improve reliability, enhance customer confidence, meet regulatory requirements, minimize rework, improve operational performance, strengthen supplier quality. Quality assurance becomes the foundation for sustainable growth. AS 9100 Aerospace Quality Management System. AS 9100 is a globally recognized quality management standard for the aerospace industry. The standard incorporates ISO 9001 requirements along with additional aerospace specific controls. Benefits include improved process control, enhanced risk management, better product quality, increased customer confidence, improved regulatory compliance, stronger supplier management. Many aerospace OEMs require suppliers to maintain AS 9100 certification. Now, supplier quality management. Modern aerospace manufacturing depends heavily on global supply chains. Supplier performance directly impacts product quality, delivery schedules, compliance, manufacturing efficiency, customer satisfaction. URGS International supports organizations through supplier qualification, vendor audits, supplier development, process capability evaluations, risk assessments, performance improvement programs. Strong suppliers create stronger aerospace businesses. Then manufacturing process audits. Aerospace manufacturers must maintain strict process controls. Our audit services evaluate manufacturing systems, process capability, production controls, quality assurance practices, equipment effectiveness, documentation systems, traceability controls. Process audits help identify risks and opportunities for improvement. Then product inspection and verification. Inspection plays a critical role in aerospace manufacturing. Our services include incoming material inspection, that is verification of raw materials and purchase components, in-process inspection, monitoring manufacturing quality during production, final product inspection means verification before delivery, then first article inspection FAI means validation of manufacturing processes and product conformity. These inspections help ensure compliance with aerospace requirements. Now, precision metrology and dimensional inspection. Aerospace products require exceptional dimensional accuracy. Precision inspection support tolerance verification, product validation, process capability assessment, customer requirements compliance. Even macroscopic dimensional variations can affect performance. This makes metrology a critical element of aerospace manufacturing. Then next is NDT, non-destructive testing. NDT is essential for detecting defects without damaging components. Common NDT techniques include ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle testing, dye penetrant testing, radiographic testing, visual inspection. These techniques help ensure structural integrity and reliability. Then next is material testing and metallurgical evaluation. Materials used in aerospace applications must meet demanding performance requirements. Testing may include mechanical property evaluation, chemical analysis, metallurgical examination, failure investigations, corrosion studies, material verification. These evaluations support quality, reliability, and compliance. Now, aerospace manufacturing technologies. The industry increasingly relies on advanced technologies such as CNC machining, additive manufacturing, robotics, automation, advanced composites, digital quality systems, smart manufacturing. Organizations embracing innovation improve productivity and competitiveness. Then next is root cause analysis and controls improvement. When quality issues occur, rapid resolution is essential. URGS International supports root cause analysis (RCA), corrective action programs, preventive action systems, failure investigations, continuous improvement initiatives. These methodologies help organizations reduce recurring problems and improve performance. Now, technical training and competency development. Skilled personnel remain one of the most valuable assets in aerospace manufacturing. Training programs support quality professionals, production teams, inspection personnel, engineering teams, supplier quality professionals, maintenance professionals. personnel. Well-trained teams contribute directly to operational excellence. Now, benefits of partnering with URGS International. Let us see this. Organizations partnering with URGS International gain engineering expertise, independent inspection support, supplier quality development, aerospace manufacturing knowledge, quality improvement programs, technical consultancy, training solutions, operational excellence support, risk reduction strategies, and last, global compliance expertise. Now, next is creating competitive advantage. Through engineering excellence and quality focused operations, aerospace manufacturers can achieve improved product reliability, better manufacturing performance, reduced defects and rework, enhanced customer satisfaction, stronger supplier performance, improved compliance, better profitability, increased global competitiveness. At last conclusion, the aerospace industry demands precision, reliability, innovation, and continuous improvement. Success depends on robust quality systems, effective inspections, supplier excellence, technical competency, and world-class engineering practices. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is committed to supporting aerospace component manufacturers, OEMs, suppliers, and global aerospace supply chains through specialized engineering, inspection, testing, quality assurance, supplier development, and technical consultancy services. Together, we build safer, stronger, and more reliable aerospace products for the future. Thank you for watching. For engineering consultancy, inspection, testing, quality assurance, supplier development, auditing, and technical support services, connect with URGS today. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. So, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, engineering excellence, aerospace confidence, global reliability. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.